Let's make some baked feta pasta. First, add some grated tomatoes, 5 cloves of garlic, then add some olive oil on top. Put some salt, pepper, and oregano, and mix it up real good. Then you want to add 2 blocks of feta cheese. After that, you need to put it in the oven at 400 for 30 minutes. My mama put chicken in hers, but you don't have to. After you take it out of the oven, you need to smush everything real good. After you smush it, give it a good mix. Go ahead and add whatever pasta you want. And mix it up good. And put your chicken in. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing. The last thing to do is to put fresh basil in. My mama can cook. Bye, guys!
Baby bella mushrooms, half a red onion, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, about 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, a drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. 1 block of feta, olive oil on the feta, and a sprinkle of basil. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. While it's in the oven, cook your pound of pasta. Mix it! Add in your cooked pasta, a little bit of pasta water, a little bit of baby spinach, top with pine nuts and Parmesan cheese. And yum.
I tried the famous Tik Tak Pasta. Pour cherry tomatoes into baking dish. Put feta cheese block or crumbles in the middle. Drizzle with olive oil. Add seasoning. 100 degrees for 30 minutes.
Y'all already know I ain't no cook, but I got these kids, so I got to. So there was this little Tik Tak pasta going around, so I'm going to try it today. I'm going to take my tomatoes, go ahead and throw them in a pan, get that feta cheese, throw that mug up in there too, then I'm going to add some olive oil. Now, I don't know how much oil I was supposed to use, but yeah, I hope that's enough. Then I'm going to put the garlic in there, just put a little seasoning. I ain't telling y'all what seasoning I'm using, because I don't feel like my black card being revoked today, okay? Then I'm going to pop this mug in the oven, and while that's in the oven, I'm going to prep my shrimp, with some seasoning. Then I'm going to throw it over in the pan and let it cook until it's cooked, Then I'm going to get my stuff out of the oven, give it a little stir, make sure I, smash down those tomatoes, because I don't like them chunks of tomatoes. But then I'm going to add some shrimp, give it a nice little stir, and then add my pasta, give it a nice little stir again, and then boom, it's dinner time. I give this a 6 out of 10. It was just alright.
TikToker koji nije napravio TikTok pastu, odlučila sam da je krajnje vreme da je napravim. Stavila sam paradajz, feta sir bez laktoze, moj dečko nije tolerantan na laktozu, luk, začine i maslinovo ulje i sve to stavila u moju malo jadnu studijsku remu, skuvala pastu, dala dečku da oljušti ruke, bože moj zašto mi je pekla svoje prste. Sve smo to zginjeckali, dodali pastu i mogu reći svibilo mi se, dala bih mu 7,5.
You already know what I'm making. It's the Tik Tak pasta. So we added in 36 cherry tomatoes. I'm just joking, we put like 2-3 boxes. We used goat cheese because when I was reading the comments, everyone said that feta cheese was really sour. And excuse me, why the hell did this not work for me? Like, I ruined the whole aesthetic. Like, I just don't get it. I just don't understand what I did wrong. Add some kale. We were monitoring the pasta in between. I forgot what this is called. Pine nuts. The kale is so nice in it. It gives it like a crunchy texture. Then we put pepper and salt. Ew, that felt so weird. We put salt and pepper, not pepper and salt. And then put it in the oven, obviously. Apparently, if the pasta is ready and you throw it at the wall, it's meant to stick. Oof, look at that, yum. Boy, by hearing this squish, I should upload the version where, I don't do the voiceover. It sounds like straight out ASMR. So I made this video 2 weeks ago, and as I was editing it today, I got tempted and I made it again while I was editing. I told my mum I made the famous Tik Tak pasta sauce, and she laughed at all of us. Cheese and tomato in the oven is not some exotic sauce. Well, you know what? You're right, but it tasted good, so I don't care.
Und dann wandert das Ganze auch schon bei 200 Grad für 30 Minuten in den Backofen. In der Zeit koche ich die Spaghetti. Eine Portion sind nämlich 100 Gramm hoch. Das reicht mir völlig aus und davon werde ich gut satt. Wenn das dann alles fertig ist nach 30 Minuten, hole ich die Auflaufform raus und vermasche das einmal, damit dann noch die geile Soße raus wird. Dann kommen die Nudeln da drauf und das Ganze kommt auf den Teller. Nicht wundern, das ist jetzt ein Pasta-Teller, der hat 30 cm Durchmesser, der hat
You already know what I'm about to make, except I'm doing it a little bit different. Shrimp. Why does that word sound funny? Not mixed enough. Lamb. That's better. I know in lazy fruits or greens.
I got the radio up, the sun is going.